Hello students, today we are solving ISI M.MATH 2021 question paper. So we are solving from question 6. So fix an integer n greater than equal to 1. Suppose that n is divisible by distinct natural numbers k1, k2, k3 such that GCD of k1, k2 equal to GCD of k2, k3 equal to GCD of k3, k1 and equal to 1. Pick a random natural number j uniformly from the set of values. So let AD be the event that j is divisible by d. Prove that the events are mutually independent. Okay, let's go for the solution now. This is integer based question. So let L divides n. So there are n by L numbers in 1, 2, n and that are divisible by L itself. So P of probability of A of L is 1 by L. Since Ki and Kj are co-prime where I not equal to j, so a number is divisible by Ki, Kj if and only if it is divisible by Ki only, Ki by Kj. So A of Ki intersection A of Kj is A of Ki Kj. So probability of A of Ki intersection A of Kj equal to 1 by Ki Kj. So probability of AI Ki, probability of A of Kj. So I1 less than equal to I less than j less than equal to 3. Now as A of K1 intersection A of K2 intersection A of K3 is A1, A of K1, K2, K3 in this way, and the probability of their intersections is 1 by K1, K2, K3. So that is probability of A of K1, probability of A of K2, probability of A of K3. So then the equality probability of K of I of 1 intersection ... probability A of I of M is probability A of K of I1, probability A of I2 ... A of K of I M. This holds for all M of 1, 2, 3 and all 1 less than equal to I1 less than equal to ... I M less than equal to 3. So hence the events are mutually exclusive. Mutually independent.